friends, today we are going to read about life on the farm and learn lots of new vocabulary words. Today's title is Farm Life, written by Elizabeth Spur and illustrated by Steve Bajorkman. Farm life. Red barn, what are you keeping? One rumbling tractor ready for reaping. Let's talk about this word reaping. What does reaping mean? Reaping means cutting and gathering a ripened field crop. One baler, one sower, one thresher, one mower. This is the farm life, but only a part. So a baler is a machine that ties a field crop, such as hay after it is gathered. And a sower is a machine that scatters or plants seeds. And a thresher is also a machine that separates seeds from plants. Blue barn, what are you hiding? Two sturdy stallions saddled for riding. Three fillies neighing, four hens a-laying. This is the farm life, but only a part. So fillies, that's what we're going to focus in on this page for our word. Fillies is young female horses. Green barn, what's in your loft? 5 bales of hay with straw piled up soft. So we're going to talk about loft. Over here, when we were looking at this page, this is actually a loft. It's the second floor of a barn with an open inside wall. So if you were going to go inside the barn, you would see the horses down here, and then the loft would be above. Often where the hay bales are at. 6 cribs of new corn, 6 kittens newborn. This is the farm life, but only a part. Brown barn, what do you hold? 7 small heifers escaping the cold. So heifers are young female cattle. And cattle is also cows, so we can see the cows. Or cattle right there. And those are called heifers. 8 ewes a feeding, 8 lambs a bleating. This is the farm life, but only a part. So on this page, we're going to talk about 2 vocabulary words. Ewes is our first one, and that is female sheep. So we saw them over here. Those are called ewes. And then bleating means a weak cry of a sheep. So the sheep must be crying. Gray barn, what do you house? 9 straw-filled stalls with 9 sleepy sows. And there's all the sows. "10 piglets suckling, Farmer Dan chuckling. This is the farm life, but only a part." White house, open your doors. Oh my, it looks like a storm is going to roll in. So when we see the sky turn dark like that, we know that a storm's coming. So they're going to get inside the house. Show bright braided rugs on shiny oak floors. And they're all inside the house from the storm that's coming in. Fresh hot tea, steeping down quilts for sleeping. So when we think of the word down, we think up and down, but this down is talking about soft, fluffy feathers. So the down is soft, fluffy, feathered quilts is what it's referring to here. And there's the picture of the quilt. A crackling wood stove and a family to love. This is the farm life, the whole and the heart. Well, I enjoyed reading about life on the farm and learning lots of new vocabulary words with you. Make sure to click the link at the bottom to go to Boom Learning and practice your new vocabulary words and their meanings. Thanks for watching. Bye, friends.